Shalom, shalom. I'll give all praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makar Kadash. Give the honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone that rule well and teach well, overseeing the tabernacle of David, sealing the elect. Shalom. Shalom to the sincere Akim out there that's teaching his truth and sincerity. Just want to do a quick video about this earthquake in Alaska. It says Alaska quake causes severe damage, triggers tsunami warning. A 7.2 magnitude earthquake that struck near Anchorage caused severe damage to the city. 7.2 magnitude earthquake. Lord's number is 7. The tremor that struck on Friday morning was centered about 7 miles, 12 kilometers north of Anchorage. Slovakia if I'm saying it wrong. Anchorage, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. And I guess that's some of the effects. I seen another video. There it is right here. That's some of the effects. But I just want to get us to some scripture because this proves that, we in the last days, and it's evident, but only the elect knows that we are in the last days, I'm going to start off in 2nd Esdras. I had brought this out in my last video. As soon as I saw the news, as soon as I saw the news, it just made me think about this verse. And I just felt like I should give a quick video on it. Lord willing, it's edifying. I'm gonna just get straight to the point. Actually, I'm gonna start at verse 1 because it's good. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 1. He answered me then and said, measure thou the time diligently in itself, and when thou seest parts of the signs pass, which I have told thee, thou shalt understand. Let me just highlight it. Thou shalt understand that it is the very same time, wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Who's the highest? Yahweh. Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai. Yahweh, who the world calls God. Yahweh Shai, who the world even calls Jesus Christ. Those are the highest. Let me read verse 2 again. Then thou shalt understand that it is the very same time, wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. So when we see these signs and these passes, that's when we're going to know that Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, he's beginning to visit the world that he's made. He made the world. He made the worlds through Yahweh Shai. And Yahweh Shai, he's going to come and visit. Let me get that quick precept. Hebrews 1:1, God, God, who at sundry times and in divers manners spake in times past unto the fathers by the prophets. So he speaks through the prophets, through the elect. Verse 2, hath in these last days spoken unto us by his Son, whom he has appointed heir of all things. Right. So Yahushua, he gave the power to Yahushua for heir of all things, by whom also he made the worlds. That word worlds means these nations, Let me go look up that word hair, because just to dig a little deeper. Because he appointed Yahushua heir of all things. Let's just see what it means.
Strong's G 2818, kleronamas.
And it is one who receives by lot and messianic usage, one who receives his allotted possession by right of sonship. Right. So Yahushua, he was given the hair of this world. He was given the ownership of this world through the sonship. By him, he got the inheritance of the Son from being the Son of the Most High, Yahweh. And it says one who has acquired or attained the portion allotted to him. So Yahweh, he gave the portion of the world to Yahushua. And he's going to come visit this world. He's going to wreak havoc on this place. Back to address. Read verse 2 again. Then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the world. Slakia, let me read that again. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, then, verse 4, then shalt thou well understand that Yahweh spake of those things from the days that were before thee, even from the beginning. So when we start to see these earthquakes and these uproars, said then we're going to understand, the things that Yahweh Hashem Yahushua, he spake before us, through these scriptures. We get a precept in Matthew chapter 24, verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation. That's why we got World War III. We got martial law happening in Ukraine. These nations are rising against nations. Iran, Russia. It says Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be phantoms and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right. So there's going to be phantom. There's already a phantom happening in Venezuela. These foreign countries, they already catching the hell. They got the RFID chip. FEMA ordered 50,000 RFID chips from Sweden. You know, they got martial law going on and what's it called? They got martial law going on in Ukraine, right? So, you know, these prophecies are coming to pass. We just gotta endure. Just wanted to get a quick video. Lord willing, you was edified. We give double honors to the apostles and elders that rule well and teach well, sealing the elect. Apostles and elders of GMS, give double honors to the apostles. Double honors to the brothers out there that's teaching this truth and sincerity. You know, Brakta Yahweh, Brakta Yahushua, Brakta Yahweh, Brakta Yahushua, Brakta Yahweh, Brakta Yahushua, Call Halayim La Yahweh, Ba'Shem Yahushua, Ba'Shem Rakah Kadash, Shalom.